Yes. Well, currently there's been a strong trend going into secular stocks. So we are, we are still cautious at this point because, we feel like a lot of the talk has been around the election, and that's certainly been what's main focus here. But COVID is still not over, and once this election has been decided, all the eyes are going to be back on the rising COVID cases. So we still like to maintain a balanced portfolio. We like tech, we like the large growth tech areas, but we want to focus more on, just going into next year and looking at what's going to happen in middle of next year when there's a vaccine and when there is more of a normalizing the markets when we go into uh, more stocks that's going to benefit from just going into a normal market.
Do you have a different view now than you may have on Monday about value versus growth in a scenario in which Vice President Biden becomes president, but you do hold the Republican Senate?
We have actually felt this election and how it's going right now. It's been predicted that it's going to be going this way. So our view is to continue to stay balanced. It's great that growth has been getting a lot of attention and the rotation is going into growth, but we like to continue to stay balanced.
You love healthcare, and there's good reason to. The sector's at an all-time high today, and we were just having a conversation about the outlook now under a President Biden.
Right. Yes, we like healthcare. I mean, everything has gone towards growth this year. Right now, with the exception of healthcare is doing great.
Lastly, if everything was to remain the same, President Trump was reelected, Republican Senate remained in place. Dems are obviously keeping the House. Would that impact the way you think about the next, year?
Like I said, we are still very constructive on stocks. And, looking at going into next year, we like to keep investor invested, and we wanted to diversify and rebalance excessive mega cap stocks if we can. So, and that's really gonna depend on the progress of, what's been decided with this election, and also the progress with COVID cases and the development of a vaccine. So I think a lot of that is still kind of in the air. So staying balanced is our key right now.
Okay. Forbes' #1 next-gen wealth advisor for 2020. Barron's top 100 women financial advisors in 2020. Top 40 advisors under 40 for 2020. Qiao, thank you.